Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Oh, God. I don't know what my mother doing, but the concoction definitely had garlic in it. Oh, God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for my mother. Thank you for my mother. God bless my mother, my baby Kayla. I don't know what we would do without them, Oh, God. Lord, may I beg you. You have to help me. You have to help me, Lord. Please. Make me beat this. Me have to beat this cancer. I me have to beat it before anybody find out. Well, you know, Lord. And Sarah and the doctor know. Can't tell Mommy and Kayla, man. No, sir. Oh, God, me frightened. I'm already when me sick out. God, thank you for the help. And thank you for the strength. Can't pull down mountain almost. Just want them to pay me now for this little work, man. Tired, I want to go my yard. All right. Oi. Miss Johnson, me done now. Come on, pay me my money. Me want to go my yard. Me hungry. Miss Johnson, oi. All right, me I come.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, cause me say one piece of water come in from me.
Say, Michelle,
Under the window,
yeah.
under the door button, me I wonder how water. It come like somebody hold one pour hose and I go so.
They ain't hear how it, you ain't hear how it a whistle out a door, you ain't hear a whistling and the bawling out a door.
One heap of funny nice like
Yes,
the tree them
attack. Me
Like me
say,
here.
yes, and
Then
you like, yes, yes.
me say like a bike.
Me I tell you,
Me say short man.
why treat me
I
away?
trouble, but
Yeah,
thank God we is alive.
at
Not
least
true.
we alive.
Yes,
Yeah,
thank God.
me say me just barely make it out a day.
But me sorry for the people them.
Yes.
We not have nowhere to go. It blow away the
Yeah,
whole of them house.
me say you know I see all White House and St. Elizabeth and Black River.
I guess all when you talk about
Everywhere,
Petersfield,
everywhere.
Oxford,
Yes,
Bullet Trillion, everywhere in
yes, man.
Westmoreland
Yeah,
House, Westmoreland and
yeah,
St. Getty.
yeah,
Hardly.
yeah. Oh yeah,
But guess what?
yeah,
Jamaican
yeah.
shall rise again.
Of course, we will
We
rise.
shall rise
Yes,
again
man.
in the name of Jesus.
Yes, but you put your trust in a God.
Yeah, man. So,
Yes.
me glad say nothing do you do and you're all right.
All right,
So
man.
big up yourself.
Big up
There.
yourself, man.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
glad you know worse. You know what I
Yes.
mean?
All right.
All
Tell me
right.
daughter this and you remember when she
Yes,
was
man.
younger.
Remember,
Good
man.
evening.
All
And
right.
you used to look me that, you know.
Leo, you go on. All right.
All
Pick up
right.
it, yeah?
Big up yourself.
All right.
Yeah.
Pick
All
up,
right,
man.
champ.
All
What
right.
good?
Pick up it. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Loyal soldier behind
Watch
him, man.
team dog that you know.
Yeah, man, in loyal soldier, that
Yes,
mommy.
master. So
Good evening.
good evening, my
It
love.
just
I say you look nice.
me know,
You
it
look
just
like I said it's something when me
oh
come
God,
here in the
mommy.
water, the garlic, it
Me
work.
know it tastes like garlic.
Yes, the garlic work, man.
Yes, mommy, feel good. Me can almost pull down mountain, mommy. Thank you. Me don't know what me would
I
have
know
do
me have to
without you.
thank you, no, thank God and my husband and him tell me say me fi put garlic in a water, make it soak a little bit and then come give it to you.
Eh?
Yes, I'm glad say you're all right.
Yeah,
You're all
man, me have
right,
to
man.
thank him.
Kayla did call me and tell me say yeah, they come on, you know, and she
Mm-hmm.
said just say fi tell me thanks. But me I wonder thanks what, 'cause you know the head no be so again
No,
and
man, you saved
mm,
me, mommy. All the pain gone. I just work where I come from now, you
me
know.
just about to ask you where you're coming from.
Me
So
just
you
a come
gone back
from.
at work already?
Yes, man, mommy, we can't me leave everything on you.
You understand?
Oh God. So
So
we just wash again, how much line of clothes, and just rake up.
you know
And
wake up all you had to?
mm-hmm,
Eh eh.
extra
You
money.
look like you're strong for true, like you're
Me
going
I
back on
give
your foot. Me
me
glad
I
you
give
look
God
nice.
thanks. Me I
Yes,
give
yeah,
God
come on.
thanks, mommy,
You
and me I
don't feel no
thank you.
pain or nothing again.
Mm-mm,
So the
mm-mm,
pressure gone down.
mm-hmm,
Thank God for Jesus.
mm-hmm. I mean a dizzy look there.
So where
My
did I go, you
hand
know?
steady.
Where did I go?
Me come to you.
I like, as you see, me and one of my friend way from your young
Eh,
guy when they look you.
me
And
remember
look a
him.
short man, you see foot said both
Me
foot.
remember him. You want to hear
Boy.
somewhere they used to drop to me, but me can't tell you, mommy.
I like. Anyway, where in the country about?
You have no food.
Oh, you want
Mommy, you
something to eat?
cook. Oh God,
Me
you know,
cook,
say
man.
the garlic help, you know. But mommy, your dinner help me the most, man.
All right. No worry yourself. Come on, we go over here.
All right, thank
We
you.
get something to eat.
Yeah,
You can go in
man.
the kitchen. You have to share with me.
All right. Oh, good night, Fire. You all right?
Why you say
Look
good
like
night?
you don't see what I do.
Why make you say good night?
I them dark.
You're
Me
still
just
sick.
finished work.
You're tired, man.
Me just finished work.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
all
yeah.
right?
Like you see darkness.
Nobody call that for me. Oh God.
No man, darkness is good, you know. Cause you're black, right?
Mhm.
And black is good.
Black is
Baby,
beautiful.
you know, she say she look better.
She look blacker.
What you tell me? No, you tell me if you do and me put the garlic in her. And I say, I work, me see she a come from.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And you go to the doctor. Like your mama say, yeah.
I got no
It's
doctor.
not, no, listen now. It's good to go. But you have to listen, you take what you want to it, right? But if you don't go, you understand?
Never Google
Listen now.
Doctor Fire. Them I
No.
look on phone and I tell you what. My mother and you recommend her, my mother
I
give me
look,
the
I
thing
look
and look
on the
for me
phone.
now.
I look on the phone and tell her that.
Exactly, same thing them
Yeah,
doctor
but
do.
no, but go down there still because you have more expert there. Right? So you good though.
Yeah, man.
Mine,
Yeah,
you
man.
walk too much, you know.
No, man, you know, see me have to work because me have Kayla for the
Yes, but me say, man, you overwork.
That's true.
You walk liquor. What? Nah, I don't know if
I have something in the kitchen put on there where me they cook. So you can go take some. Leave some for me husband. Nobody eat half it.
No, but
No, when I hear about food, if you eat, that's my so.
Oh God, me know my
Hungry,
mother
she
cooking, man.
She hungry.
Fire me a come. Thank you. Thank you
Let
again, me a
some for
come.
your daughter.
Eat the food, eat it. But then you have to feel like, oh God. He said, baby, no know how me book out a road. The little short bend up foot man we live down there so. You know, down, I wish we live side again. I'm gonna scamble them right there so. You know, I need football, I need shot.
Yeah.
See me just like a while. Yes, and they tell me how Melissa do him.
Oh, me know say that girl ain't go mash him up long time, you know. Because him always say love young girl and he can't walk straight. Anyway,
And so I go on.
when me just there, on the phone, me there go and search so I try to catch up myself as an old boy.
You get
Yeah,
no
try
look
and
out
look.
work, no work for go chat nobody yard nor nothing.
No, I think about bigger things than that, man. Me not too old for chapel line, you know. But that more on there now, so me do some investigation first.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So then can't give me because me all already, you know, how much prison time they can't give me. If me get a piece of money out of it, you and the people they live good and things. So me a plan for it, man. So don't worry about that. You know what I mean?
Well, no, say.
So you're good though.
No, sir.
But you can't walk about though.
Because
Then give you one wait, you know, every time you ask me get work, why you not get a work?
because
You
me
could
have you
get...
if you take care of
No.
me. Me
Patronize,
can't bother
man.
you no
Most
man.
you. You want one of them walk up and down walk there. Like you want them to go up here, what take them pick me. Where call it? Is it JTA?
No.
But anyway.
CDA.
CDA, yeah. You got to be a walk boat. So you can work with them, be them considerate. Anyway, if them get maltreatment, you did their watch. You walk.
I have this secret.
Mm-hmm.
Women never want you to know, but now you're gone down in the details. Let me tell you why me have to walk up and down. You.
Yeah.
You know the reason why?
Yeah.
A long time.
You want to walk up and down?
No. You no pay me no mind. You turn your back, keep me in the bed. Your face there so. While me they force myself to touch you. You they take off my hand and tell me how
when
you're tired.
I sleep,
Oh,
me
you're
no want
tired.
nobody to touch me.
You're tired and money for something.
Me
So
no
you say,
touch
true, me
screen.
no want this stress me out. Me just walk up and down and take it off of my mind. So when you are gonna make me start do back the little
But you
thing
know,
there
so
again.
now, me talk to me grand pitney them. God grand pitney them. So you good when you have God pitney, you know.
Yeah.
And I tell them about the bedroom problem with you. Or you want to go hours. And me old and me not mash up myself for nothing. So they say then go buy 2 rows. For you. Yeah. You know one in rose? You don't know one is hey! All boy know more than
What
you.
you know about Rose? And the other day,
I
me go
know
downtown.
Rosalie me attacking now. Me say Rose.
What you know about Rose?
I know Rose down so we take part in a jam me attack about, you know, me say Rose.
Me know, say
R-O-Z-E-Y.
I know
Rose.
Rosie.
Me no know, but that's something like that.
You never say R-O-S-E.
R-O-Z-E-Y, whatever.
You never say R-O-S-E, you say R-O-Z-Y. Me know me boy you say, but
Yeah, man, something
that
like
sound
that.
like a Rosie you want to say. But I
So,
know.
then so that is
No,
not going to make
Z,
you sing in your old age. You go over here, kidney teeth. Me gonna walk your plug in the rose and walk yourself.
Stop shame me. They say they stop shame me, man.
No,
They
they say make you go make you feel good.
They say the whole of the moon and the bright eye shine.
With
So if
the
you think
rose
me...
day on a man in a night, on a day.
No, me no want a rose.
In the
Are
sunshine.
you alone me want? Me no want a rose.
Listen me. I cannot do what the rose do.
What you mean?
They say the rose come
So
with a...
all of them blend up the way when me used to give you when you did younger. You want to
That's
tell
the
me
way
say...
you used to give me and I walk it out back long time. That now you know me again. Wait, but listen now, I have to preserve my energy. Right? I preserve my
but you
energy.
know-
So when I give you a 2 hour, a 2 no, not 2 hour, 2 minutes, you give thanks with it. You grab the rose and do your thing.
Oh,
No,
Jesus. But you
me
know
not
why
there
me
for-
married you is because me know that say...
You
the
married me when I was young. So a young boy, you want to take up now?
No.
Grab the rose.
Me not take up no
Because you
young
can't
boy.
get no young boy in ya.
Me not
So
try
you
no
grab
me
the one young rose. You deal with it.
Alright.
Me no know talk to
Me
me.
can't
but
manage no
me not
rose.
talk about that. But what them I miss the cucumber them when they come here. I don't know where them there. Where you do the cucumber them there?
Then get rotten and me sow the seed them round my back. You know see them a come up on the fence.
Alright.
What you expect me to do with them?
Alright.
I do a thing with them, master.
Alright.
Anyway, so come we go lie down and do a little piece, no?
Listen. Listen now.
You're thinking I'm well in a condom again, you know, because
I
dead
am up on the
things.
road. Me have work to do.
Dead things cannot hold
You
in
look like I
condom.
must start walk up and down, you know. Because you have pressure me too much. I
Me
must
a tell you
start walk up and down. Eh?
Me I tell you say me is your wife.
Yes.
You is my husband.
Yes.
We no need to use no protection. We live together for years.
Yeah.
And a matter of fact, you can't use them there something there again. Dead things cannot go in it. But all I have to do is continue boxing it from left to right until it look like it can go back or it used to go.
No, we go back that way there again. No, we can't go back there. We're
Why?
gone by the morning.
Remember now we young days, you know, you
Yeah,
used to go
yeah,
on, you know.
Yeah, we do
Hey!
it. We did it.
Boy.
We did it, man. We
Boy.
did it.
Hey.
The neighbor know my name. Where you ball out.
Because you used to kill me with it, you know.
And I've seen people tell you what I want to tell you. I go
Why?
till me grave.
Oh, God. I wonder if I do, you know, want to do nothing with me and they go on like you think you can't turn up again.
No.
Because I know, say, you're generally, you know, you're a strong man, you know.
You know.
I will probably not me used to give, you know. Maybe
Yeah.
they have woman on the road, you know, and
No,
now you know nothing with me, you know.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Nothing like that, man. Nothing like that. It just not turn up again. Me don't know why.
Me no
When
believe.
it's here, it does.
Mm-mm.
Can't sleep.
No,
me
me
know
no
why.
believe you at all. Me feel
No,
say something
so
I want.
me think that because you lick it too much. You lick it till you afraid of you. You lick it too much. Wifey, you get it too much. Me think say this. It just
What you
getting
mean
low.
when I say me lick it too much? What kind of licking I
No,
do?
you say a while ago your back to left and right. So when you lick it, so you like you know pray to it. You know sing to it. You know you just a lick it so you know like you again.
Say you know go make me do nothing now. Me know when time you're a woman with me. And
No,
time in my
no.
younger days, that's so you used to do me, you know.
No.
And they tell me how you feel pain and so that time you kill woman with you out the road. But
man.
it's okay.
Not like that.
It's
But
okay.
you know, I have work to do, yeah?
Alright.
Take your time. Go with a cold shower.
Alright.
You know, cold shower in there, but throw look at ice in the bar pan.
Alright.
And bathe yourself. Alright, Miss move forward.
Okay.
You have things to do for the road. Bed can't appear, you can now. I'm in now.
God, Jesus.
Wait, what a rain.
Close the door, Bobby.
Jaja. Huh?
Close the door.
That's a rain.
Make it
May
food
I
from.
come with present for you, my daughter. My
How's
grandmother
your food?
sent
Eh?
food for you. Me eat mine already.
Chicken alright. Put it in the kitchen.
Alright, me eat mine already.
Down in the kitchen there.
Oh, you alright?
Yeah, me alright. You alright?
Give thanks. Give thanks. Oh, God. Today is the best me feel for such a long time, you know.
Eh?
Oh God.
Me like how you feel healthy and strong.
Yes, my daughter is the love of you and my mother. And even fire him too. And they love carrying me through, man. Pressure, all right, no.
Right. So it means everything alright.
Yes, my
So
girl.
excited.
Oh, girl. No wash. Me rake. They like say the
What
woman.
about work I get today?
Yeah, man, it look like say the woman don't get nobody to come after dirty Melissa. You want to see the land how me rake and wash. And you know what the woman tell me?
Tell us, eh?
She put $1,000 in my hand. After me and Miss Johnson make a deal for $5,000, you know.
Eh?
Then when me
You
done,
should go back to her. Maybe something have to turn up on it. You can't make them a give what they want give. Something have to turn up on you. Because if I didn't have me, she couldn't do me that.
you already.
She couldn't do me that. I'm going to lick her down.
No, but she said she give me the one now. And then she have to go back to the machine. Because the machine now work. I mean, no, the machine now work good. Me not have that much. It now work good.
Mommy, you cannot go out every day go work and collect nothing, you know. Because that don't make no sense.
No, man, but when the blessing come, it's going to come in both.
Yes.
You see, when the blessing come, my girl, I saw we are going to pop style. And so we are going to pop style. And I'll
Yeah.
how you go.
Yeah.
And so
Yeah,
we are gonna
mommy.
pop style.
Yeah.
Hey, hey. Today, we can all dance on my hand them straight. You hear music in my head. Come, baby, jump up and dance with your mother. Dance with your mother, you can hear music.
Yeah.
Oh, God good, you know?
God good, bad,
Oh,
bad.
God.
Me like how you feel healthy, you know, mommy. Me like when you're happy.
Oh,
God, oh God, if you love you, mommy, you know, oh God, me no know what me would do without you, know.
Mommy,
Oh
all you
God,
know that do with you. Take a look, all daddy run well left way.
that
Eh?
they all crow.
You have to thank God say me have you.
Yes, man. In
Dance up
Canada,
your body,
in the
man.
party.
Yes.
Now let's cock up this song. Wine.
Yeah.
Stand down the girl, stand down there.
Yes. Over body, yeah, over body. And yeah,
Me feel like some you're 20 again. Me and you for the road, you know.
me you can't go. Me and you can't go, mommy.
We ain't talk about.
We don't have no money. How we go party?
We're not always going to be like this, you know. Girl, we're going to go road. And when we go road, we're going to cook it up so. And I saw. And I saw we're going to find the
Mommy, where you juke pan?
And I'll go pan them.
No, mommy.
Hey, get your girl.
You go juke pan the bed, you know?
Amanda, imagination, man.
Mommy,
Use
you juke pan your head.
I'll go down pan them.
Oh, our money you go wine pan?
Long time in the check money. Me feel like
Oh, money you talk about, man.
I don't want to talk about money.
Me know, me think you say you got party, because you can't go party, go wine up. We go pan party, I want to
So me
party.
to do it.
Eh?
Teach me now me to do it.
Oh.
Come then, baby. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it good.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it good.
Yes. I saw grandma wine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wine, mommy, wine. Wine up your body, wine up your body. Yeah. You got it. You still got it.
This for long.
You still got it.
Yes, man.
I'm going to eat my food.
Yes, eat your
You
food.
can't watch show. I'm going to eat it up. You look cold. I'm going to eat it up.
It's yours. Can me done eat
Oh,
already?
eat already? You can't eat some more.
All right.
So you're not
Plan
hungry.
for the future, madam.
All right.
The future bride. That's what she do. Go down there, girl. Nobody like me. Come, save me some of the spoon.
For other day, my back and hurt me. Like me, I feel some pain every time I move, so me feel a pain. Me feel if me I get all like you.
Oh, like a who? What do you mean? Maybe a gas. When you feel the pain, baby?
Right, just so man. You see me move, so me feel the pain. It's like on my hand. Like yeah, so in them place like me put up it so I feel one sharp pain. All of them place. I'm if I throw.
It's a move. When you move, it's a move.
If I
The
move.
pain.
Pain
A
can
move
move.
round, it sound like a gas. Cause if you feel it this so, then you feel
No,
it this so.
mama, me not. Either right as so said we, and then either right as so. It's like the whole entire body and the pain. Me sleep bad. Me don't know.
Oh, yeah, come down with baby.
Yeah, let me get a flu. But mommy.
You don't make the rain wet you up.
But mommy, but me I can't go to my friend yard. You see? Cause me the plans if I go over grandmother, but me I say, my baby grandma tired of we now.
No,
Tired
babe.
of me. No, mommy. If I did me, mommy, or somebody come on my yard every day, me would have tired of them.
She not tired of we, you know. But
Mommy, she don't tell you
it-
about you life here,
it
so we
would be
24.
nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you see, today, me go to my friend,
Mhm.
with a Becky, go look for Becky.
Okay.
I mean, you know, and probably for me, I come from a Becky, because, you know, sometimes Becky will give me a little 200 and 300 of them.
She's a good
So, me,
friend.
yeah, so make your back. When make your back, where you want me to back for you?
Bring me back Patty. Me want Patty. So you always used to tell me when me go on road. Me I do it back to you. Me want Patty.
Don't do that, mommy.
What?
Me never tell me I get $330. Me say $100 and $200.
You put it out there, my girl. You never know, you might get $1,000. No, don't squander it with that. Just use your conscience, man. If you get little change,
I'll buy a sweetie.
buy something.
Sweetie.
No, man, put it together and buy something that can put together and get mackerel or sardine. Because I know you love your sardine.
All right.
Do-
We'll go buy me tell you. See if you get the money. Remember, say we have rice in there. And we have flour.
And we have
So
flour.
we'll buy 2 tuna and 1 sardine if she give me. Maybe she give me 500 because she promised me 500 for the other day. So if she give me it, me I buy 2 tuna and 1 sardine.
Aye. And remember, sir, our grandmother come from Senti the other day and bring down plenty seasoning. So
We don't get no season. We not, no, mommy. We can't so greedy, mommy. You know, go pan the road, me come back. You go over your mom, go over grandma, and go by grandma seasoning.
not have seasoning too hard like that.
They
We'll
don't
make it work. We'll make it work.
So just stay in the yard and relax up your body. I will be right back.
Yes, mommy.
We not time.
Yes, mommy. Me on the instructions now.
Mommy, soon come back, you know. Me like you look healthy, strong up and pretty. You know, come back.
Feel it.
When we come back, me go and do your hair.
Oh, thank you, baby.
We go and kill in a tree. I will be right back.
No old woman looking up.
A young woman look.
No, a young girl look.
I nowadays look.
Make
Oh,
sure.
all right.
Make sure.
Soon come back.
Look young. All right, walk good. I love you, but I want you to go for a long time. Remember the Yes, sir. I will get my welding done. A long time. Answer. Well, yeah, man, we there. We there. You good? I'm missing you too, baby. Tonight we'll link up. Restaurant too. Kakafata saw you bossy so. All right. 7 o'clock. Your mama's supposed to already know. So hold on. So when you take me for dinner and take me dancing, you know, so when me under my room, me high. We are gonna walk. Mind me broke your back, you know. I'm gonna broke your back. Don't talk. You love use your mouth. You can back it up, you know. Make sure so you can back it up with the action, you know. Lord, man, you get the juices running. All right, make sure so you back it up. 7 o'clock. Yes, my dear. Make her ready for you. They're gonna have on. Yes, man, my battery right there. Hey. And then you go. And then. Yes, my lord. All right. 7 o'clock. Make her get ready. No late, you know. I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry for that too. Yeah, I'm team too. She miss him, man. She miss him. All right. Later. Yeah, man. Later. Okay, now I got tonight. I'm gonna get some soldering done. Right. Johnson, she thinks that she's smart, you know. Me nah go empty-handed. Me I go check her. And she Johnson, same one. She thinks that she's smart, you know. she still owe me my $4,000. I mean, I go for that. I mean, now go on no dates. Broke. Anything can happen. Well in time. Work is over now. It's well in time. Well in time. No, sir. What the feeling just a come back, so. No, you not beat me today, you know. You not beat me today. Me, I go get my welding. Yeah. Oh God. Hela. Hela. No, sir. Oh God. No, not today, not today. Hela. Hela. I just have come on, so. Oh God. Let me forget little tea. Oh God. Hela. I'm my mother there. Hela. 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 Oh God. Hela, come save the doctor. Oh God. Hela. Mommy there. Hela, go get mama. Hela. Hela. Oh, mommy. Oh, God. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy, I need to go to hospital. Oh, Kayla.
Mommy, oi. I get this sardine. Me, I say, mommy, the girl give me the sardine. And me get two, not two. She get them and she give me them. Mommy, I don't know if that when the sardine or bull wick or bull chuck or I don't know what any, but go over your mother now. You can go over grandma will get you something. You come, mom. I talk to you. Where your phone there? Mommy. She prank me. Mommy. 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 No, sir. No, sir. No, sir, that's not right. Oh my God, mommy, wake up, mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up. Oh, Jesus. Mommy, oh God, mommy. Mommy. Push part her out there again. Mommy. Mommy. Oh God, you're so serious. Mommy, wake up, mommy, wake up. Mommy, mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up, wake up, mommy, wake up. What's that? This is serious. This serious. Like mommy dead, so like mommy dead. What we go do? What we do? Oh God, grandma. I mean, God, grandma. Oh, no, so God, grandma. Mommy dead, grandma.
Huh? What do you? Jesus God. What want you? What do you, my baby? What do you? My granddaughter want.
Oh God.
Yeah? Oh Jesus. Boy. Lord have mercy. Want you?
Oi.
Want
My
you?
mother dead.
Hmm?
My mother dead.
Your mother? My daughter?
Mommy dead. Mommy
Where they
dead.
talk say?
Mommy
Kayla.
dead.
Kayla, what you say?
Mommy dead. Mommy dead.
My daughter dead? How you know when people dead? What you chat about?
Me go in there, me a talk to her, she didn't answer me, so me think she asleep, and me a wake up, and she not wake up, and me lift up her hand, you see her fear hand not drop back, cause her fear one just go boom and drop back, and me put my head on her chest, and me not feel her heart. Me a big girl now, when me at 21, me know when somebody alive, she not
Me
breathe.
know say you're 21 now,
Oh
my baby.
God.
Where you say my daughter dead? Jesus Christ.
Me can't believe my mother dead.
She not talk no tall.
She not talk, cause she
Oh.
just lay down.
Oh God, come. Come. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Boy, my daughter. Boy. Oh God. Jesus. Charmaine. Oh God. Charmaine. Oh Jesus. Charmaine. Oh God. Baby. Jesus Christ. Jesus. What me I go to know? Oh God. Wait. Let me call me husband. Oh God. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh God. Charmaine. Boy. Boy. Oh God. Boy. Boy. Babe. Oh God. Oh, my husband answer the phone. Oh God, my one daughter gone. Help me, Jesus. Oh God, help me, Father God, help me. What me I go do now? Me not even have money to bury my daughter. Oh yeah, babe. Charmaine dead. What you mean? Oh, me know me there over her right now. Me stand up in the house. And my granddaughter can't tell me. And me come over with her. Me see Charmaine lie down dead on the bed. She dead. Yes, Charmaine dead. Yeah, come now. What me I go do with her? Oh God. No, come now. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh God. Boy, my daughter, my one daughter gone. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Oh God. Oh, my husband, you come. Show me and dead. What me fi do? Me no know if fi do with the body. Me can't manage to lift up dead
Oh,
people.
you're sure saying
She
that?
dead for true. Me taste her pulse them and her heart
Listen
now
up.
beat.
Call the police.
Yeah.
Call
Oh
the
God.
doctor. The doctor have to
Oh
announce
God.
and pronounce her dead. She's not dead until the doctor says she's dead.
No, she dead.
No, she can unconscious.
No.
You see me tap the ball in, man. Carry her go down to the place and make. Young girl tap the ball in. And mama tap the ball in. Listen. And several times overseas. Then some people done and then don't
Oh
dead, you know.
God.
Yeah, the doctor have to
Oh,
pass her dead.
no, but me know that people remember say when me did younger, me used to work down hospital in a dead house.
Yes, but
Oi.
different time now. Them are people a live longer. This a girl that sick for a long time. Everything sick and weak and sick and weak and
Oh
come
God.
back. Bring her down.
Me can't bring her down.
Call the police then. Just
All
call
right.
the police and the police will tell you.
Don't call the police.
And the police them with the police them with.
Our number again.
Call the
What,
doctor.
911
119
119
or 119.
all
We
right.
don't know which one of them.
All right. Hello?
Oh, you call that?
Wait. Yeah, Negro police station, sir. Yes, officer. My daughter dead. Me know
We're
say
not
she...
sure. Presuming.
No.
Presumptuous.
No.
Presumptuously.
She not move. She not move.
But
She lied up
we're
on
not
the bed and
sure
she
she
not
dead.
move.
Get the doctor Police, can the doctor come?
You come in, sir. Please, please,
You
me I
not
beg you.
come. Can the doctor with you and you come?
No, yes, me know dead people. She now move on her heart now
Them
beat.
kill all the people. Make them come. Nobody where most of people them kill.
Oh,
Them know.
Jesus
Nobody
Christ.
just
He
tell them
said
to
no
come.
vehicle, no did we have to
No,
wait.
tell them to walk, come.
Jesus Christ, sir, please, me I beg you.
Best
Call somebody make them call
take
me.
a bike taxi come.
Oh God, you can't take one bike taxi, do me I beg you.
Yes, we pay the fare.
Oh my God. Oh God. My daughter. My one daughter we may have. Oh God, you're gone. May your soul rest in peace. May your soul rest in peace. Me sorry about everything. Sorry, me sorry, Satil. But me will take care of my granddaughter. You don't have to worry.
I'm sorry you're gone. I'm sorry I never did it. Oh my God.
Oh God. Oh, one bees up on her grave. She will get money in her sleep. But you more than one bees that follow her too. Oh God. My daughter, me miss you. Me miss you. Me miss you bad. Oh, me can't take this no more. Me can't take it no more.
Oh God, mommy God.
When me tell you what you have to do, my daughter. Dream me make me win the lotto, you hear? I remember say me love you same way, alright?
I love you too, mommy. Oh God, mommy God. But God know what I'm gonna do. Oh God, mommy God.
Oh, my daughter. Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, come. Come, my granddaughter, come. Oh God, me love you. Me take care of you, yeah? Alright. Oh God. Why? Jesus. What me going to do now?
Oh God, oh my
Oh,
God.
boy, boy, boy. Oh God, we get over this, my granddaughter. We are going to overcome. We are going to overcome. Just make sure I say you make your mother stay in her grave. I'm proud of you. You hear me? Okay. Come on. All right.
So you alright, man?
Yeah, man, alright, you alright?
You just in on the phone, so.
So
What
what
you
wrong?
phone, so? I'm there, I do. I look for you, man. You have a lot of things to tell you, but we can't tell her. Your grandmother in Dustin, you know, when she feels, say, you don't feel the intention what I have. Come here,
Which
tell you.
intention?
It's since you come here, me I tell you, the boy just stand up. Before
Yeah,
that,
what?
I just say it, but no man in time, everything up, it a shine like how the sun will rise up any minute now.
Oh.
Yeah, man. But don't worry. When you see me deal the rough,
Yes, Caleb, go and take one and boss up people. But watch your plate. Rate up yard. Me a 21-year-old now. Like you want boss up me.
no, but
Not because me dey here. Because since me come back and live.
no.
What?
You see, every time you wash your plate, me know say I look at dance, me as I watch you. When me say clean, when me say clean out your house, I say get down on it. I me see a good on the floor and wait things me I tell you.
Oh, see you like them so.
Me like them things them I tell you. So you see look money me have to get from a foreigner now. Are you me think so go
Yeah,
get
talk
it.
my language now.
And you go get the money.
See, I talk my
Me
language.
tell my wife about you know,
Oh,
your
so you give me
grandmother.
the money.
You go get the money because she get 5 days already. She get all of the money already.
Oh, so my time now.
At your time now.
So give me your money now, no?
No, yourself, she not watching money in her house. She a watching
So
me.
no money in
hide
your
her money
pocket?
in them. No, me no money in my pocket. I hide the money in her house.
No,
Me no want she clean and find the but she don't. She Yeah, man, me I tell you, say, right now, break up the yard.
Huh?
Break up the yard. You can't, they are not break up the yard.
No,
Break
sir.
up the yard.
Every time you see me sit down and I take a race, you have to rake up here, rake up here, rake up here, rake up here. You can't rake up here too. What you there for?
Hello. Me know say I'm my husband, but remember say I'm my grandchild. And me notice when she come here, you know start work her out. You know but I want sweep up yard, you know but I want help me do
no
nothing
start
again.
work her out yet. Me no start work her out yet. I just look at chores them that them not work out. Anyway, go and do what you do. The neighbor them can make nice though. The neighbor, me can't, me left on you know.
They always the cuss
The
over that
Pansy
they are there.
and Susie, them always the pan. Me can't manage me. Listen now. Listen like even now when they have a family, we have a family reason. How you deny me about that? Me can't even hear me ears to tell them.
Oh my.
Anyway, you go up on the road?
On the road, me I go.
Go and wake up your yard. I go inside.
Okay.
No nobody that blood street. I don't nobody get up.
So why you stand up?
Huh? No, I didn't nice catch me, so me freeze.
Oh.
Like somebody said freeze. Oh my God. Left the raking, man.
Oh.
Me raking. Me raking and take it. Go on my house, your mama gone.
Alright.
I go show you the water walk that pumpkin belly. Come.
Oh yeah, look for.
You have to look. Because it's one neighbor over there, so.
No, yeah, a big customer cuss out there, man. Like you do.
No, that's right there.
Alright, I know. Cause we start business properly now, cause all they say people that talk so many never really that receive everything. So tell me what I'm going.
Alright, we're gonna go on. We don't need to show you 100 out there, say. Since you come in a place, my life bright up. Yeah, you know? So normally, when we wake up, the thing dead. Even my wife, if you say, why the thing come back up? So, morning time, I rise up. So I realize,
probably at 3 we are sleeping in one bed.
yes, I mean, I say, you. At night time, you don't feel me not touch your wife on you. So, my time, I accidentally rub on you, know. Accidentally.
No,
so
me asleep.
yes, so you don't feel me not touch you.
No, sometimes I feel like I'm a grandmother. I feel like me up on the bed.
Yeah, man. Just go and imagine that. Why to my time, I want to squeeze. But make it time. We go, I go. Since that you tell me.
So me we talk about the money part. And money me want here now.
All
Money
right,
run the world. Money part me want here.
Alright. Me and you no related.
No, we're not related.
Yeah. So that means me see you take well if a different people and them not related. Same way, right?
Yeah.
So me here in a grapevine. Say you have.
You can't take your
Boyfriend.
figure quote.
No, me not got quote because I'm in a Babylon system. But me I tell you, say, since you do that, when you cut off them the outer road there, me go take care of you.
But you have to spend money. Remember,
No,
say,
so
grandma and all the money, you know, every time she a boss
listen,
say,
man, grandma nah no money, but I have money. Me have 1 and 2 look a young girl out on the road and me give money, you know. Me go cut off of them money.
oh, and start
And
spending
so
money
you go
for
get the money and now.
good. You know,
Yeah.
you talk my
man.
language.
Yeah, man. And any work we do in a yard, if
You do them.
Yeah, if your grandmother there, you take your time and do some of it. You say, she gone now, me do it.
So, like I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you start spending money.
Me go start spend the money when you start run the honey.
Oh, so you go.
Yeah, no, but that's how it go.
Me know, me think you just give me money and just look. And lie down and turn up a morning time.
No, not that day, not that day, not that day. Me not like first time young, you know, but me still want to feel nice. And you feel nice. I spend the whole of the money. See all the money your grandmother forget, and you are get it.
Cool. You can't make grandma know.
And that me go to tell you, say, what we are doing now have to be confidential.
Right. And me not make she know, you know, because I don't want she analyze me.
She
So she
can't
not
know.
gonna know.
Alright, so when she there, me deal with the rough. Make even sure.
I know you take time and talk. I'm backlash upon you.
No, but this no, you know, that's one good acting. Me could do it that way there. So somebody think go like me, I no friend. You understand? But when she gone, you leave the door open.
You might leave the door open.
You know me a talk, man. No worry.
Oh, me think you not talk the door because me I said the one room, the whole house
No worry
sleeping.
about, you know what I mean, man. You leave the door open and I will.
Oh, so like I'm there, you know, and me hungry, you can't cook little food.
What you want, you know?
Rice and chicken, something, man, you cook
Alright,
food.
I go cook for you.
I
go
cook food. I told them, we want them to start get brush now and pedicure.
So I go send you go down and somewhere go do it.
Yes, come on, if you get pedicure and manicure, everything.
Yeah.
I want a new hairstyle now, because I have a hairstyle too long.
You see this, you know what this up on my ears, Sawa?
I don't know.
This shot have to check your grandmother. You put something in her
Oh.
purse. When she a come nearby, it go start beep, beep, beep. So, this because me plan this out a long time. Me a plan it out, you
So
know.
a long time you give me grandmother bun then, cause
No,
if you
a
know
lo-
if put tracking
no.
device.
A long
Pan
time.
her,
No.
a long time you give her bun.
A long time me a
But
plan.
all of the bun done. If you ever
Bun.
give me bun,
No, listen now.
me a go have
The
it out.
bun done. Out though, so. We not nothing out the road again. We gonna
Make
bring the
sure.
break to come in here, so.
Right.
In here, say break to come in now, so.
If me ever find out say you give her me bun, you know.
No, man, you can't get bun.
Cut off your whole locks when you asleep.
Alright. Me not.
Everything come off.
When grandma asleep,
Mm-hmm.
me and you not asleep, you know.
Oh.
When she asleep, we are doing.
Okay. Alright, take a look at time and go on. Remember, rice and chicken I need me two of them for do. I want them to scrub.
Alright, so the rice and chicken,
Mm-hmm.
and while the food are cook,
Mm-hmm.
we go and do a thing, and we go and, as we do.
When you start spend money, we do a thing. I don't say
No,
work.
you go spend money, as the rice are cook, and
Mhm.
soon I cook, you must give a piece of money.
Alright.
In the US.
Remember, rake up your yard. Wash up your plate, everything. I'm here the woman a yard now. Mm-hmm. That's my life I want to live.
We have chicken in there.
Mm-hmm. So I say my belly full, the food tastes good. My belly full, you can't eat some more.
No man, we're good right now, my belly full right now. So, it's a good vibe.
Ah, God, man. Mm-hmm.
Plus, you say, I see you want Pepsi, you get Pepsi. The Pepsi.
Some me want to live. Some me want for somebody to live a long time.
You see, like how we start the things now,
Mm-hmm.
we go take you out to go buy ice cream.
Right.
Regular.
Good.
You like ice cream?
Mm-hmm. What the plate? You put on the plate them and wash them up before auntie come. Wash them up before she come. Like on the food on the fear.
This is beep.
What beep?
Beep. Beep.
Mama do come?
You look like she a come here.
She a come?
You look like she
So hide the plate, no hide the plate, she a come. Hide the plate if she a come.
When we go hide the plate, we are big people, you know. We not more suspicious, you know. Remember, we can't cook and my man a yard there, you know.
So if you have food there, we get left
No,
over.
we never have enough food. We never know she a come back. And that's the story.
Alright.
She can't say nothing about that.
Alright. So go let her probably me and do a lot.
No man, she no. See her. I'll go on.
Watcha, I no cook.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I look. Remember
So you no left nothing for me.
I really
no,
commit.
we never know see her come back and now. I just look because she wake up here and I saw them, me look something. I saw them, we just eat it. I can go up and go buy some more food.
But you know, so me never eat nothing this
But me
morning,
don't know when you
man.
come back though. Babes, you know, so me not like, if you not like when food cold, you know. I don't like hot of food, you want the food fresh, you know, so me I cook for you today. Yeah? So me go wash
So my
up them.
granddad take a belly full.
Yeah, we eat and belch and everything.
And you spread up your bed, so.
Yeah, me prep the bed and
Tidy
clean up the
the
place.
place.
Yeah, man, place look clean. All the yard, me rake up and wash up all the dirty plate. And just 2 little plate left. And cook. You can cook and give me some of my food. See, alright, how was work?
Boy, I don't get no work. I'll work, me go look. Remember say me I hold somebody and anybody go give me work. Then say me reach the age where me not have the strength again. So it depends on the type of work. You
Well, don't worry
understand?
yourself. Everything is soon alright. I soon get a properly job.
Me can't do certain work again, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Can't manage. So anyway, everything good though.
Mm-hmm. Everything alright. I'm
Alright.
just tired. I'm back all
So my
hurt.
husband treat you.
You treat me alright, man.
I work because I know you stay, you know, we give you all kind of work for you to make a sweep up here and then.
Everything me have to
Me
do.
nah walk around. Me give her some walk, but me nah walk around.
Oh.
Nah walk around.
Alright then, so.
So, where's you want now? Tell me what you want, babe. What you want to eat now? Because you may look about now.
You see the egg up here, so for a man.
You want egg
Yes.
and bread.
Yeah. For a man, you maybe left this and you never. You couldn't try.
No, you want to know, you see, me just cook some food. Because you know, she know, me
No,
know.
I want the little ramen first, so it make the little gas come out from it. So when you're done, you just do that.
Oh boy. My body tired. Yeah, man. Sit down.
I feel you are
Yeah, my Pepsi.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
So you finish drinking area?
Yeah, this alright. You can't put it on. Put it on.
Alright.
I look at 200 I'm fine in my bag. We take go buy Pepsi.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so here I know my granddaughter.
Mm-hmm.
You know you're 21 years old now, not true?
Mm-hmm.
You have to go look at job. and make
Oh, yeah.
things work out a little bit better in our house. You understand?
Yeah, I look at job
Because you
too.
know, say just me and my husband alone, and him hardly get work. Me not get no work no all. I want 1 and 2 little work me we get no one again, one little roast. You know, like
Me
little
understand.
easy something,
Yeah.
sweep up yard and so. Me can't manage to watch people dirty clothes again, you know.
But that's true.
Because the whole line of my wrist them and so.
No, you see.
Arthritis
But
kill me.
I have to go do flat, I have to go back a heart and get a skill so we can work.
And then he come like I say, arthritis in the toe, knee them. Me
No
can't
worries,
even bend.
just
me can't
rest your
sit down.
body.
So guess maybe a little more from this, you have to go start wash your grandmother clothes then.
Yeah, nothing wrong, man. Put it in the washing machine.
Yes. So you can work and buy one washing machine and put in your house. You know, think you could have do that?
Yeah, if me get a job, you know. We do work and buy a washing machine, but if me get no job, me can't work and buy a washing machine. The washing machine
When
not
you
go
did
buy.
younger, you know, you couldn't read and you couldn't write. I remember saying me take you saying you go to school at heart. At heart you want to go back again, so you didn't learn nothing.
No, me need to get a skill. Never take it serious, I tell them. I take it serious now.
You waste out the whole of my money me saying you go to school and you don't even come out with a certificate. Me not understand.
But get a certificate this time. Don't worry, we're not going to let you down. Get a certificate this time.
A certificate or a certificate? Which one?
Anyone you want to be, you know. So, got a certificate or surfer tickets.
So,
I go and get one
you
of the
need
paper
to
them.
look at job.
Yeah, man, me I go look at job, man. I go look at
And
job.
me they beg you. Your name they call up out a road how people are see you with one if a man.
Oh, my.
From your mother dead and then they talk about your mother this and your mother used to that and one if a sitting. But listen.
Grandma.
Do no call down no shame for me.
Grandma, that is the thing. People going to forever talk and I can't do nothing about my flame out. No, all me have to know, say, as long as me know something do them there's something there. What them talk say, it no bother me and it no concern me and it no hurt me because me not do it. Make them go and talk.
Me here say, I just you alone with it. Me no want my husband here. Me I'll hear down the road how they see you and one man named Papa in a bar.
Alright.
I never know say you drink and you smoke.
No, me not do something there. Papa, that man they too ugly, man. Me know who name Papa, me say Papa regular.
So
Papa,
you don't have no boyfriend?
Me not have no boyfriend, me don't want no boyfriend. Me not time for boyfriend. Look how my father do to my mother. Breed one left girl if I me don't want that.
So that means me believe say you're still a virgin. I mean no say if you have any boyfriend you that tell me.
Yeah, me tell you.
You know I love you dearly.
I love you too.
Yes. So
very much.
You know why you hide anything from me. You are my only granddaughter and I love you here.
Yeah.
Alright.
We go wash up the plate then. You can't go wash them up.
No, me tired.
Oh,
Man. You
alright.
can't do your grandmother.
Me wash them up then.
I found a cook on your man. I'm giving on the one to go wash the plate. Tell me husband set me the way for the head.
Alright.
About 5 minutes after.
I'm about to close before she comes. Alright.
They say me just leave it when I should take off my clothes on a car.
Yeah, come here, I wonder when time we had it, you know, like take off your shirt.
No, because if a grandma come and now, bam. But you know, me have a surprise here, you know, car.
Listen to me, sometimes if you take off your shirt, what's more around put the nipple, them you just have on the shirt.
Wait, no man. Wait, you gonna come a day before we book in a resort. First class resort where you have buffet line. And you eat what you want, drink what you want.
Yes.
All inclusive.
All
so no worry
inclusive.
yourself. I'm going to go convince your grandmother to stay here and then we make you go overseas. We go to like Bahamas. You know what I mean?
Oh my, some good things
yeah. I will have a family over there, you know. I will have a family over there, and we have place over there so we can go over there and chill out. Alright, so I'm going to go give you. The money come. Money come.
Oh my Jesus.
US money that you know you
What?
put in your account.
Look for them enough money, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Anyhow, my mother, me thank God to my mother dead. If my mother ain't dead, I'm gonna get them enough money, yeah. God know what they do. All them a good life and me I go Bahamas.
Yeah, man.
If my mother never die, I'm gonna get my good life. And no, sir. Cool money.
Yeah.
All if my mother, if my mother was alive, me wouldn't get him a good ride.
No,
yeah.
because you're not down here. You're not coming at the time there.
Me don't come about me name the stay,
Yeah,
man,
you not
yeah.
stay, yeah. You not no reason.
No,
to
me a
see
stay,
that.
yeah, me
Yeah,
I get the
man.
good,
Yeah,
good up body right there.
Yeah, man.
Jeez, all this for me?
Fear, no worry yourself, man. Yeah, go on good, you know.
Oh, God, thank you.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna make your granny blend up some juice to me.
Yes.
Because you see you're young.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, you give me a piece of workout, then I
Yeah,
tell
man,
you.
you have to turn up firm, you know. If you don't turn
Yeah.
up firm, somebody go and lick you down.
Me know, so me know. Me I do my
You
thing,
know
man. Me I do
money,
my, eh?
I know my money.
No worry. Listen, now. Let me tell you me I carry go. No worry yourself.
By mamas.
Yeah, no worry yourself.
So if you go look
Next week, next week when money will come,
Mm-hmm.
we go call one of my brethren them. Because I'm a old boy, you know. He have place where you can get your passport and every little thing sort out. One stop, bam. They take a picture of them today. You get the whole paperwork. See my JP, sign it for you, everything. You just do it and get it done with.
Good.
Yeah, man. So don't worry yourself about that, man.
Good. Me just so happy to me I get all of them money. You know. My life just so better after my mother did. Hey,
Hey,
God you know, you know.
you hear the beep beep?
Hmm?
It sound like your granny there nearby now.
Let me mention nearby.
No, the beep, one could beep, you don't really hear, but I can't hear it. You up on the track or something.
So how fast they probably should tell me out this summer. Me I count money right now. I'm not focus on grandma. I like your grandma can drop down too. Probably we get better life if she drop down and flatter. Me get more better life.
But this is the idea you come with.
Hmm?
The bed always make up and we have a sex sheet.
Yes.
And then we just roll out the sex sheet. If you are coming over full of a sex sheet and try one
No
plate.
man, we hear the people are going to be louder, man. No man.
No,
What?
yeah, man, the clothes are shit there.
See me come over the big hill. Come over the big hill.
Pull up. Roll
Come
up.
over the big hill. Hold on. Them my money. Let me go put my money.
No worry, no, that's idea money. Because she loves search, you know. She loves search. I see my phone. Oh, alright.
Take good.
Alright.
Prep. Alright.
Yes, me.
Babes,
Me I hear you. Come now.
me have one piece of touring figure, yeah. Hey,
Yeah, come.
Mas Joe, go catch. Me nah bother tell you. When me come in, me tell you, they come, me take up there something out the door, yeah. They come in there. So, boy,
Oh, go on.
Master, I say a good on a Mas Joe yard. You know, say I'm a friend from a long time from back in the days.
But yeah, me know, man.
Master,
So we are doing a mass joy though.
you no know say Mas Joe go cut cane in the cane piece.
Mm-hmm.
And when Mas Joe come back, Mas Joe catch his wife with brother Tony.
Oh, no,
Brother
no,
Tony.
no, Deacon.
Yes, we got the same church where me go and you go at the same church. We all a brother and sister. But me never know say that man committing adultery.
But me tell you one thing. You see them, me no know them go on so. When you have your wife, you know, and you go in front of the thing and you say till death do us part, and you know if you fornicate,
Nor commit adultery.
Look on me.
You a good husband. You
Me,
will never
I
give
would
me
never. You know what, girl, I run down the whole boy for the
Me
juice.
know, me know, say
And when
that-
me nah
Yes,
love
man.
them. Me nah love them.
My husband, I love you dearly. Me know you would never do
I
something
would,
like
listen
that.
now.
Eh?
Me all when. But it's a good thing say the boy not to turn up again still. So you not have to worry. Because if you not turn up, you can't go in and nothing.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm. The baby,
me
there's
know
something
that
like that then too already. You know?
is a good man.
Yeah.
You never give me bun and you will never give me bun. No.
I
time
would
in my life.
never.
No bun.
No.
call,
Not
no
even
time in my
Easter.
life.
Not even Easter. You know what it's
I
you go buy the
trust you
bun?
from the day
Mm.
I see you in my life as my husband.
Yeah.
I know that he's a good honest man.
Somebody have to be trusted.
Yes.
Mhm.
And I trust you.
So you have to have somebody good. So once you have bad, you have to balance it.
Me no
Good
understand
and
how
bad.
Mas Joe wife go do that.
Me I tell you, me happy me see you come.
Yes. We love you.
Yeah.
Much. Love you, honey. All right.
I love you.
Yes.
I love you more than you
know,
love
we
me.
will want
Love
to hug
you.
you, know.
Yeah.
I tired,
He's a
so
good
chill.
man.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you know, cook nothing.
You know, say, I and I, they are wait how long. I cost myself card cost away there, you know, because I don't like cook until I tell me what you want.
Oh.
Because, you know, from what day, I say, I take over the cooking duty because they are go and do one and two things. My money are coming slowly but surely. But you say they're on the road I go and do some I say, one, be the one to cook. Because all of my life I cook, I'm really appreciate it, so I show appreciation. Your granddaughter, she fall into place because she work. When you're gone, she walk. She walk up, she walk down. She walk round and round and round. Yeah, man. So she not lazy.
Nice
She does her walk. She go up, down, up, down.
Okay.
Out her door she go up, she does up and down. She up and down. She dip on it. She must tired.
But if you stop work around, so you know, me notice say you don't want to do nothing in the yard again, you know.
But me a cook though. Me a cook.
Cooking
So
is
she
something.
she can go and do looking next to go work them.
Okay.
You understand? She can.
Alright, so my granddaughter.
One thing me a walk her
Alright.
out and she a take
Yeah.
work.
Alright.
Yeah man, she take work
So
good
you
man.
get something for eat and so?
No, because me
You
I wait
not
for you if
No, sir, they are hungry and tired.
yeah, but if you tell me,
Well-
I work, she work all day.
Well, my granddaughter. All when me tell you, know, say the piece of whole body, we go cook for you and my husband. Because you're the only grandchild me have, you know.
Yeah,
And I love you so much.
I love you too.
Yes. You know, you're a good girl.
Yeah.
Alright, so where did say I go again?
Well, a while ago, I pick up some rice and some peas. Go look when I fridge you want. Because you know, so buy all the things put in and then you just tell me I just deal with it. Take out anything in the fridge, thaw out, me chop it up and me just deal with the phone. I'm gonna get something for it right now.
Alright, we come there.
Yeah man.
Where you hug up her? Where you hug up her for? She does say she need hug.
No, listen now, you have to play the game, man.
Me
You know,
let
so when me
them
hug
play
her
the
up, me
game,
say
babe.
I love you and you me I look pan. You know,
She
so
don't
me
know
tell-
that.
But she don't know. But you know. Are you if you know you know? Alright.
So you now go on the road?
This is some chicken and something around there. So all you have to do is get some peas and some oil and stuff.
But peas in there already, man. I rice and
peas. A little bit of peas, I want more peas. The rice then not go look like it have no color.
alright.
I mean,
But you know, with the chick when me use some of my time when the rice not really have the right color, me throw like a brown in the water to get the color what you want. You know, you not even know what to say. Yeah, man, me brown up, man. You just think say I peas get the brown color, no?
Oh.
Yeah, man, me throw brown in night,
Alright.
man. Rice black. Yeah, I wonder how come it peas in night strong, so. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Brown in. Anyway. Ah, boy. A cooking time now. You go cook.
Alright, here we go cook. I'm gonna go get some rice and so. How was your day differently?
My day was okay. That's very much fine.
Okay. You're not there, they telling no bad word and something.
$100 me get from when. Save some of it for rainy day, alright? Put in an account down so.
I notice if another day I pay 100.
Yeah, me don't know what. I don't know what is go. You see, me now go up on the road so much again. Them a ramp on my thing, you know. But what you go on?
All
But
right.
yeah, man. But put on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You not treat her bad.
No, one thing I didn't say, I feel work too much, man. Too much work. I'm tired. Then if you take over somebody work.
When they tell us to do so?
Rake up everybody for cook yard, wash plate, and you know, say sometimes we eat after them chips and the bag them in the house. I like this style, man.
God have mercy. That's why I stay for a long time. Anyway, don't worry yourself. Anytime you tell us to do nothing, just do what you can do and leave the rest when they
I
come.
like me have to go start, man. I'm tired, and I'm so.
Alright, my baby. You need some water to drink?
If you like that, that's the problem. You say some water.
Come to you. You alright?
I feel good.
Come to you. Have me chair, have me. Sour door. Me not understand. Kayla! Kayla! Come here. Wipe off your mouth. Wipe off your mouth, good. Oh, you just chew up. You eat too much food, man.
Feel like a gas.
So you feel alright now?
A bit.
Like you eat too much food, you have vomit.
Oh God, my head all hurt me.
You sound alright. You think like you don't want some water to drink or something like that?
Yeah, man.
Or you want me to carry go to a doctor?
No, doctor, no, man, not doing like that. But
I wonder if she's pregnant. You look like me, I forgot to take her to a doctor. You know? I'm one grandchild and I don't want nothing to do her. Okay. I'll come in. Me need to talk to you. Lucky thing say, me have the little money when my husband give me so me fi go put in a book. That's why good if you have one little change. If you don't want to go to hospital, go sit down and wait few much hours, you get you fast I want private doctor. The 100 US when you give me, say you know, me have to go spend your doctor. Kayla, you're pregnant now and you know you hear when the doctor say it and all your way they come up. Me they question you and tell me who get you pregnant. You tell me say you're a virgin and you're not no boyfriend. From your mama they just come like I say, you're torment. And you they tell me like I never know all these time.
me don't know how me get pregnant. Probably when I boy them out the road.
What you mean? That mean you they have unprotected sex with more than one somebody? That's you no know who get you pregnant, you go have to know the picnic father. Who is the daddy? So how much somebody
Mike.
have sex? Who?
Mike.
Alright, different from this person where you say name Mike. How many persons you have sex with?
Peter.
And who again?
And Jones.
Mike, Peter, and Jones. And the three of them go unprotected. So you don't know which one of them. So why you say Mike? You can't know which one. You just give one of them, Mike. Because a Mike you like, so you give Mike.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. So how me can... Lord have mercy, God.
No, me I got to.
Kayla, may I try with you? You is my only grandchild. You see how fast me move and carry go down a doctor? Me rather
But
spend the money.
no, to when I'm pregnant, you know, me at 21,
Me
man.
know
No,
say you're 21,
It's a pressure
but
me
you're
saw.
not working. And look, me, you, and my husband are sleep on the same bed. Your sister me not have no other extra room. So now you go make me have to sleep with you, me, my husband, and great grandchild. You is my granddaughter. Your baby go be me great grand. Plus me husband 4 hours on the one bed and not even king size. And no king size, you know?
The queen.
We hardly can hold on it. And you see the kind of life we in already and you come now with one next baby make things worse. So when my husband hear about this now, how it all go?
I don't know how it go. It just have to go as...
I mean, knowing staying, we want to chat about enough to stay here. You understand? But only thing me I tell you, make sure. See, I no lie they tell me. See, I then 3 man there, you go have sex with. Make sure, because if it's not Mike, one of them get you pregnant, but how you gonna know? Maybe we have to go wait until baby born.
Yes, to see who which one the baby look like.
And you feel proud.
Me not feel proud.
Right now, your mother supposed to grieve in her grave. Oh, you finna make. Jesus Christ. Oh, you finna make the baby go no. He rightful biological father.
Go do a DNA test.
So what kind of lifestyle that you did live?
No, it was the only way I could have coped with losing my mother. That's the only way I could have coped.
By walking around and having unprotected sex, that's the only way you think you could have coped?
We cope perfectly fine. I don't see me a ball.
But what a piece of wickedness this though. The devil is very wicked. What kind of thoughts that him put inside of you?
Sometimes I only can't get up and blame the devil in the canon. Never the devil. And me, I can't for my own. The devil never say, Kayla, go do that. Me, I can't for my own.
It's two way in life, my love. If not God is the devil, I'm sure say no God send you to go breed before time because although you're 21. But me want you understand me and say, you do not have it. And me you live it as your grandmother. And your sister we hardly have it. Watch ya.
I don't feel good enough. Make me sound tea.
Lie down. Lie down.
You just
Me not
talk.
go run you out, you know. Me not go run you out. There's my only grandchild and me not have no...
Grandma. Grandma. Make some tea there, please. You just talk. You're not that talking, not change, not a thing.
Comfortable with the belly, you don't understand what is a mother. What it takes to be a mother.
The father go and mind him child. That's all matter.
You need to tell them.
Um,
The three of them say
They
I
are
feel
think in one no.
If I say I feel Mike and you was having sex with three of them unprotected, you have any
Don't worry yourself, grandma. Listen to me. By the end of the day, the baby is okay. You don't need to talk. You talking about the situation and like the baby now go bother coming up. And like time they go wee wine. You know wee wine it don't happen already, man. Just make me some tea and cut off my reasoning. Me not feel good.
Oh,
Me not feel good at all, man.
Okay.
Come on, man. Never see smoke without fire. Never see a lane without tunnel. You ask that question.
No problem,
You
Papa.
will?
What?
This, yeah.
The baby?
Yeah, call the belly baby already.
A baby in there really, that's it.
So
You think it's
all the while me I give you money. And you tell me you're a virgin. Eh?
Married virgin.
Virgin where? I had 9 months belly. How much months have I had this year?
A 4, 1 9.
If I'm 4 and it looks so big.
A boy.
Me box at 4 months?
What problem? You stop me for. Make up my business and you stop
So
me.
all along you pregnant.
Me never tell you the truth. Thank you for all the money you used to give me. I used to can out and tell us I'm on my period.
Okay.
And something there.
So you admit it?
Yes. Thank you so much for the money. Me never want you. Me didn't want the money.
Okay. So while you take my money and then I'm
Yes.
gonna slap you.
Slap me. Whap whap. Here comes belly.
Here comes belly. I should have AIDS. I should have
And
AIDS.
you would have catch the heads. Come and come gear it. Where you going, so listen to me. No worries. No, you still can help mind the baby and mind me. You still have spend money, nothing wrong. You
That's
spend the
it.
money just like
God forgive me, but that's dead. Me now mind no unwanted backside picnic.
me picking the unwanted.
Them see when I come murder
Me
people.
picking the unwanted.
You see the picnic when I don't poopa?
He have papa.
Mama,
He have RC mama, yeah, he have papa and mama.
the mama walkless.
Where?
So
Are you worthless with the ugly self?
Where
Right,
I
come
Where I
contact me.
Where I
Come
try?
contact me.
Where I
You're not
try?
trying nothing.
You know what we are dealing with now? I think we just look by and kick it down, you know. We are waiting till they push out that picnic.
True you can't, true you couldn't get me front. You want to come kick me down
We
now.
don't want you born in front.
Oh, you did want it back then. We are spending one bag of money on it. We are spending one bag of money and I run back on my PP clock. I had to put a fence. But yeah, come on you.
Your front feet are there, young chocho.
Like your face. Oh.
Mind yourself, you know.
Are you for mind yourself? Me go about my business and you stop me. I go like you want to rank with me. True, you couldn't get me underneath. You want to come rank with me now. If you just take out some money out of your pocket and give me like all time. But if you do, you argue with me.
How much you want?
She give me 20,000.
120,000. 120,000, what like? Move your damn bright. Yeah? Can't go and ask him to bring it for 20,000. Come on, where you go?
You really wake me up?
No more.
You look at dirty man. You ugly like.
I don't know, turn up. Nobody run too fast, you know. Nobody
Me
run
a
too
fling and bust me head, you know. My fling and bust me head. Oh. You just disrespectful because you come and throw water upon me. Throw dirty juice upon me with your dirty self.
Turn
And
up,
you
man.
head mouth.
Turn up.
Where
You
you
call
say?
me?
Where you say yes?
It better me have here than sleep with my grandmother. Uju. No, me put it that way. It better me have years than sleep with my father, mother.
You sleep with my father, mother.
No, you sleep with your grandmother, man.
I know my father.
And him you breed for. You workless dog.
Nothing wrong with my grandmother related. Me, I'm not related. Nothing don't wrong. It's my breed for somebody who better than you have money. You have money like
Did you have money?
He have money.
Every day, I have to go to the cut down the wild color. You have money?
Yes, no matter if I cut down white color low.
Don't think
That
girls
matter?
look on my house.
Yeah.
On a board house.
A
Look on the
woman
road.
bill that give you where we have a fun where you take for heed that. Wait till they hobby your magaras. You come back and face it with me about
Let me
what
teach
list.
you something.
About what list.
You see, a child of God, not afraid of nobody.
A child of God can talk about hobby.
Not
And you
even-
don't talk about hobby. Jeez, you never come down here because you kill me with joke. No, sir. You serious? He's a child of God. He want to want pregnant woman? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my, Papa. Oh my. You're a child of God? And you
Father.
cuss bad word? And you're a child of God?
Father God,
Oh, Father God.
I tell you, bless the child when I the home, but do not bless the woman. The woman knows big like a Titanic. You come like the Riverton City.
God
Man,
need to bless your
You
face.
hear
Can
what
you look
I do?
good? Your face want do, you need a facial.
You
And fix it up
see where the Rasta here look, out of your head look.
Nothing
Retire.
wrong. He have money. He have dirty money.
Dirty money, I give belly, you should have suffer.
Me, no worry yourself.
Who are that girl? I must buck you again.
Someone here call me for nothing. Hello. Yes, Mike. Talk up, talk up. Me no tell you already say me pregnant. Me can't come and look for you. Why it's not my fault? How is it my fault I'm pregnant? This happened by accident. How do you spend up the whole heap and the amount of money? I did promise you, so you're going to get it. Yep. Maybe when me drop the belly, you will get it. Me know say me not go virgin them. Me sorry say me tell all I lie them, but Mike, I am so sorry. It can't work. I'm sorry if you take it for your eat it. I'm sorry if you take your money. Me pregnant and now I have to change over my life. Okay. Bye bye. It's my fault, but you have money. Somebody have money more than you. Babes, come back to copy something I can rub your belly.
You know, so no belly you want to rub, you know. At the head you want to
Jesus,
water.
mad.
You want to water.
You say move so slow. Jesus, man. Hurry up, man. Like you get old.
I'm going to tell you. Why, every day you granny gone, me and see you.
Oh,
Wash
God.
it that. So baby face I go clean.
Oh, God. Really, what's up?
You like that?
Yeah. Oh, boy. Take a 5.
That was good. They look like him body. My kick still. Not sleep too heavy here.
How are they going in here? I want me here, so.
Drop asleep.
Oh, hello. Wait, hold on. Why the two on underneath sheet? I want me right here, so.
B, where you pull the sheets off, man?
B, Kayla,
Come on.
come here.
What you doing for something now?
Wake up now.
Hold on.
Oh, God.
A serious thing I'm going here, so. Me not understand how you lie down in a bed with my granddaughter.
I one bed we sleeping on.
You not see me lie down. Me not in her. Me lie down on the bed. We sleep on one bed.
Oh God,
That's
man.
what day me want to take up this sheet that we sleep on, and so I see that sheet this summer, I don't know if I should do this.
Kayla,
Mm.
stay with me husband in my bed.
You see, I sleep, me, I sleep. Come on.
I sleep, she sleep,
Me not understand.
and I sleep, me I sleep.
Me not understand it too look like you not tired out and drop asleep.
Me must say me a breathe, the
Yeah,
baby a
walk and
kick.
baby, yeah. So me have to help her, me I put her to bed, and the baby, and drop asleep after.
But I will all a 5.
Me not trust you.
Mm.
Me not trust you none tall. You're my husband, but me not bother trust you again.
Woo, Jesus, man.
After so many years, now you make me start think
Why?
something bad about you.
The baby a kick me down your son.
Kayla.
Rub the baby, rub the baby.
The baby a kick
You want
me.
me husband in a things?
No.
Eh?
No, me a do it yours.
Why in your smell so fishy? I want him.
I must see the fish.
Where they cook fish?
Oh God, man. Baby a kick, man. Jesus. Me a feel pain in your talk about your husband and me a feel pain.
Get up and come right here, son. You need to set good. Come in, me soon deal
Oh
with you.
God, man. You see the baby a
Come
give me.
right here, so come
Take
right here.
time with me, man. The baby a kick me, man.
Come down. Take time, come down. You're not ready for your baby yet.
Boy. Oh God, man.
Kayla. Boy, you're my granddaughter. But you when
My
you come on
auntie
to
baby.
my man, me
Careful,
don't play.
careful,
All when me
darling.
all and me grey. I do not play with my man. With you and my husband in. Talk the truth before me squeeze your neck.
No.
You hear me?
No.
I'm a baby father.
What? Get
No,
up. No.
no,
Hello.
not tell her mother.
No, but this one the baby now in a be. No, but this one the baby
No.
be.
Look
Remember
here.
your water baby head.
So all these years me and they together. And them a dirty style you did have.
Bombard.
No.
The baby a kick.
What your baby? What's your baby?
Hello. I'm not take this thing for joke. I still hey! Sit down. Not there. You want to cut the conversation.
I said, what?
So,
The baby a kick, man.
Check
Oh,
that out.
So
oh
fire.
God.
You breed me granddaughter.
No, I did not do it. I did not do it.
So who bring
At
them?
the first, we had to do something.
Hold on.
Mm.
So all these time you and my husband they together and me no know. Eh? So it look like you know they look out for me come all the while.
Yeah.
And this time
How
you
you
no
hear
drop
the tracker?
asleep. What?
The tracker you put on her. You don't put the tracker. You wear your phone there. You don't walk with your
Tracker?
phone.
So you put tracker upon me?
Yeah, if you know when you come. Come on, me not feel good, man. I'm not in interview.
No,
you
we can't.
put
No,
tracker upon
no.
me?
Me tell you, say the tracker. If a tracker, I'm just safe. If nobody do your nothing, I will go and hunt them down. That's what I tell you. I put a tracker.
Me tell you the
But
truth,
that is
cause
the tracker.
make me confess. Like, me not like when people tell lie too long, you know.
Stop the cat. Stop that.
Me and him is in a
Where the money there?
relationship.
What-
And he pay me a lot of money. That's why I find other day they get me 100 like I must spend it on me. Grandma,
Because I'm never spending money for you because you're pregnant.
before me even pregnant, I saw me pregnant. If they was using condom, you see me that tell a lie about me a breed for whosoever, a one man and a him.
Jesus Christ. Come out of my place.
I
Yeah,
can explain. Listen up.
No, me no want no explanation right now. You know what?
Remember when
Me didn't wash out your clothes them already, say thank God. And
when
then in
we
a
married,
scandal back
when
and
we-
me not have no dresser.
when we married, the pastor tell you, say you can't have a yard and deal with certain things as a wife. As a wife, we must always work things out.
Right.
So make it work things out.
Work things out now.
You
Nobody
don't
put
want
him
the
out.
neighbor here say, a them thing we are going.
No, come out of my place. You have to go come out. Before me take up my machete and start
Boy, me
chop
hands.
and left to right. Come out of my place.
Come on.
Come
Eh?
on.
Come.
You
Come.
need to come out.
Come
Come
on.
on, if you go with him.
Come out of my place.
Come on.
No, left my grandchild. Left her. Leave her. Come, go on.
So who
Come
go
out of
take
my
care of
place.
baby?
Go on. Go on.
All right.
Me with you them. Go on.
All right.
Come out. Come out. Oi, take it. Take them up and along with them. One. Hello. Me not in a nothing with you. Come out of my place. I don't want to walk on by the time I lie. No, no, perfect. No counselor, nothing at all. One way I go. Look here.
We got to
Fred,
the
you.
pastor contact you.
Listen, listen. One way I go. Fred, you, Fred, the pastor, Fred, everybody about the things they do. One part they go. And I see take off my dirty ring where you give me round of years now. You never mean me no good. You're a worthless man. Can you imagine? You can't stay with me granddaughter and freed her pantapie. He's a wicked man. Don't come back on my place. I should have police me never say, but I told you not underage when I make no sense. One way or the one come back on my place. Fire, I wish you all the best. All my life I'm wait with you. You have a feel you sit down on the phone here. What's the better good for you?
Yes, Gandhi.
What happened?
Go on, you good?
Me there, you know. Take hard life easy.
Why doctor they really wicked too, no do?
How happened?
Me never want to tell you, no. But I told my woman, Sarah.
Sarah again.
Yeah, man.
What Sarah say now?
Tell me what I go on with the daughter. Yes, man. Tell me.
Sarah and my daughter the best friend, you know.
No, listen. You know the reason why I got to tell her this, you know?
Oh.
I told me love your granddaughter from day one, you know.
Mm.
I give her money, give her money, give her money.
Mm.
But me not book it yet. But another one I talk to you about. You know, say, I can't murder your mother.
My mother?
Sorry,
Papa, you
your
come back
daughter.
again?
Your daughter, man.
Every
the head
time.
no good. The head no good. Your daughter.
And I'm my mother.
I mean, no, I'm your daughter, but the head no good. You have to sit with me.
What you say?
The
What you say?
frustrated.
What you say? Where they say? Because this make it look like a liar thing. What you say? What you say?
She call me woman, right? And tell me woman say, she have cancer. She have deceit.
My daughter.
Yes!
Papa, you liar
But
tell.
through my woman,
A liar they tell.
Jesus.
Sarah tell you that?
Yes!
Say my daughter tell her upon phone say.
I think she did a watch one day when I tell him. I don't know when the day. We don't know. But in tell him somewhere, she call her. And then tell him say at the sea. He not want to pronounce the word. And some woman tell me. Say, you know, say, Charmaine, have a sea. So I say, what do you mean by sea? How many trees say, I come? Me, yeah, in my mind, me I say I come. Because you know some of them man, the pervert and dirty. We have to think negative. So, when she explained it, I said cancer, I was so shocked.
So Papa, all these years we know each other. And you and your idiot woman Sarah, we call ourselves my daughter best friend, know all of this. Between she and my daughter before my daughter dead, she knows my daughter have the big C. And still keep it as a secret and don't tell me.
Oi! I since she dead, you know.
Mm.
After the funeral, me know, you know. I told me couldn't reach ya. Let me not tell you. Because remember I said me have to do my little work. Me have to have money, me have a big house, and me have to try maintain, you know.
And me not believe you. Your woman Sarah know the kind of sickness when my daughter have long time. But you know too, because your woman, she not hide nothing from you.
And when she dead, she tell me.
You point it out straight,
listen.
plain and straight in front of me just now. Say, because you can't get my granddaughter. That's what you tell me.
No, listen.
You're wicked.
No, you don't understand. And when she dead, she come to me and say, babe, you know what really kill Candy daughter? The big C. So me say, come. He say, no man, why can't think so negative? Cancer.
Well, me not go ball again, you know. Me ball when she did have the high blood pressure, where she said she did have. Now me get to understand Senate and look how me I stress out myself. All me husband.
Blame me doctor them.
Give me all garlic figure gear. And she say, oh, she feel better when if I sitting.
Another thing too.
And she never have no high blood pressure. God Almighty, you want to tell me say a big C she did have?
I think you need to check your husband and find out what's going on with. Come here, rumors. I left that chair another day. I heard rumors about him.
Go on. Because you always carry news. Go on now. Later, thank you for tell me. What me go do? Go down at the grave, go ball and ask her why she tell me like me now go do it.
Can want to before and get on
the
lick.
Amount of ball. My daughter make me ball in real life already. Me no have no more eye water left. All of the jump on them full of red ground in a grill. Me no have no more eye water left.
Once again, my condolence.
Me no bother want
if you need any help from me and Sarah,
she done bury already. Me no want no help. You see, you and your Sarah and my daughter, The whole of no one set of wicked. Me nah nothing to do with you now.
Your head full of pretty though.
Don't worry yourself, me gone. Thank you for tell me though. Me have to go tell the whole generation this year. Lord God.